Hello friends, myself Srimati Sheetal Yash Shevale from RBH Kanya Junior College, Malegaon Camp. Welcome to our online session in chemistry. Today we will start new chapter in chemistry, elements of group 16, 17 and 18. Before going to start new chapter, we all have know that in modern periodic table, the horizontal rows are called as periods, while the vertical columns are called as groups. There are 7 periods from 1 to 7 and 18 groups in modern periodic table. The overall periodic table can be divided into 4 blocks. On the left of this there is the S block. This S block consists of group first and group second elements. While on the right of this periodic table, there is the P block is present. This P block consists of 6 groups. 10 groups are present in the middle of the periodic table. These 10 groups constitute the D block of periodic table, and at the bottom there are 2 series at the bottom constitute the A block of periodic table. In last year we studied S block elements. In 11th standard we studied S block elements and elements of group 13, 14 and 15. In this year we shall going to study the elements of group 16, 17 and 18. These all groups from group 13 to group 18 constitute the P block of periodic table. We all having a question that why these elements are called as P block elements. Because the last electron or valence electron in these elements enter into P subshell or P orbital. That's why these elements are placed in P block. First, we see the elements of group 16. These elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. All these elements they constitute the group 16 in the periodic table. The first 4 elements of group 16 are called as chalcogenes. Chalcogenes means they are ore forming elements. First 4 elements of group 16 are called as chalcogen. They are ore forming. Most of the ores on Earth's crust are of oxides and sulfides. Oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements on Earth. Dry air contains about 20.95% of oxygen by volume. Means near about 21% of oxygen is present in dry air by volume. Then second is sulfur. Sulfur is a rare about 0.34% by mass of Earth's crust is present. It occurs mainly in combined forms as sulfates such as gypsum, calcium sulfate twice H2O, then galena, sulfide of lead, zinc blende, sulfide of zinc and copper pyrites. This is the common sulfide of copper and iron. Then selenium and tellurium are found as selenides and tellurides in sulfide ores. This polonium, last member of this group is a polonium. This polonium is a radioactive element which is the decay product of thorium and uranium. This polonium was discovered by Marie Curie. The electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of group 16 elements is NH2NP4. They having 6 electrons in their valence shell. There is the electronic configuration of these elements are given in chart. This oxygen having helium 2s2 2p4. Then sulfur, neon 3s2 3p4, selenium, argon 3d10 4s2 4p4. Means in general, the general electronic configuration of these elements is ns2np4. These are group 16 elements. These 5 elements constitute group 16 in the periodic table. Then next to this is group 17 elements. Group 17 elements: fluorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These 5 elements that constitute the group 17 in the periodic table. These elements are collectively called as halogens. Halogens. This is the Greek word. Halo means salt and gens means bond or form. Means these elements are salt producing elements. These halogens or group 17 elements are salt producing elements. That's why they are also called as halogens. They are very reactive due to their high electronegativity. They are very electronegative elements. Their electronegativity is very high. That's why they are very reactive. They do not occur in a free state in nature. They occur in the form of compounds. They occur in form of compounds except astatine. This astatine is a radioactive element. Then fluorine. Fluorine occurs mainly as a insoluble fluorides such as fluorspar, CaF2, cryolite and fluoroapatite. Small quantities of fluorine are present in soil, plants of river water, bones and teeth of animals. Chlorine, bromine and iodine present in a seawater in the form of chloride, bromide and iodide of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium. NaCl. This NaCl is a sodium chloride, which is a common salt, is the most abundantly found in seawater, about 1.5%. The general electronic configuration for group 17 elements is ns2np5. This general electronic configuration is given in table. This fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. ns2np5. This is the general electronic configuration for group 17 elements. Then next to this is group 18 elements or elements of group 18. These are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These all constitute the group 18 elements. They all constitute 18 group. In the periodic table, all the elements are collectively called as noble gases. The term noble implies that these elements tend to chemically inert or unreactive because their outermost shell is fulfilled, having complete octet or duplet. All the elements except radon occurs in atmosphere. All these gases makes up to 1% volume of atmosphere. This argon is major constituent of all these gases, about 0.95%. Helium and neon found in minerals of radioactive origin, for example pitchblende, monazite or clavite. Xenon and radon are rarest elements in the group. Radon is a decay product of radium-226. This radon last member, which is the decay product of radium-226 isotope. The general electronic configuration for these elements is Ns2Np6 except helium, because this helium having an atomic number 2. The electronic configuration of helium is 1s2. Other elements having a general electronic configuration Ns2Np6, they are highly stable. They are highly stable elements due to duplet or octet. They have less tendency or no tendency to form compounds with other elements. They do not gain, lose or share electrons with other elements. That's why their valency is 0. These are the elements of group 18. Then next to this is atomic and physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. First property is atomic and ionic radii. These properties are given in a table. First property is atomic and ionic radii. First we have to know what is meant by atomic radii or atomic radius. 1/2 of the internuclear distance between two adjacent atoms of a metal or two single bonded atoms of a non-metal is called as atomic radius. In a group 16, 17 and 18, you can see in this chart, atomic and ionic radii increases down the group. You can see in this chart atomic and ionic radii. Atomic and ionic radii increases down the group in group 16, 17 and 18 elements. You can see in this chart. Across the period, atomic and ionic radii decreases with increasing atomic number. Group 17 elements having smallest atomic radii in their respective period. Then second property is ionization enthalpy. This ionization enthalpy is the energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atoms in its ground state is called ionization enthalpy. If one electron is lost or removed, then it is called as first ionization enthalpy. If two electrons are lost, then this is called as second ionization enthalpy. In group 16, 17 and 18 elements having high ionization enthalpy values. Ionization enthalpies of this group 16, 17 and 18 having high ionization enthalpy values, you can see in this chart. The ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to increase in atomic size. These values of these ionization enthalpies are decreases down the group. Decreases down the group as atomic size increases. Across the period, ionization enthalpy increases with increase in atomic number due to addition of electron in same shell. This ionization enthalpy increases across the period with increasing atomic number, because there is the addition of electrons in the same shell can be takes place. Then third property is electronegativity. Third property is electronegativity. The ability of covalently bonded atoms to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself is called as electronegativity. In a group 16, 17 and 18, electronegativity decreases down the group. This electronegativity decreases down the group. You can see in this chart. Electronegativity decreases down the group fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. You can see fluorine having electronegative value is 4. Then fourth property is electron gain enthalpy. The enthalpy change that takes place when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom in its ground state is called as electron gain enthalpy. In a group 16 and 17, electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down the group. These electron gain enthalpy values becomes less negative down the group in group 16 and 17 elements. In group 18 elements, see in this group 18 elements, they having no tendency to accept electrons because they having a stable electronic configuration, and therefore they having large positive electron gain enthalpy values. You can see in this chart the electron gain enthalpy values of noble gases or group 18 elements are positive. You can see in this chart.